we need to use the Microsoft Access for manipulating this data. So let us call this as "2013-9713 paper 2" and remember where we are saving. Create. Okay, the first step is we need to import the text files into database for manipulation. All our supporting files are in text format, so external data text. Select the file student, open, and check here. Next, first row contains field name. Next, select here, choose the primary key, then go to advanced, and here we need to change the data. Okay, here in this case our zip code we are not going to use for calculation, so we make this as text. Telephone number also we make as text, and birth date, date, and course code is text, and tutor code is also text. Okay, now finish. Your file is imported, and we need to check what type of data is here. Then we need to give proper field name instead of A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so first name, second name or last name, address, and this is a town, zip code. Okay, let us go to design mode. This is last name, or you can say second name. This is address 1, address 2, and this is town, zip code. Other things we can leave as it is. Save this. Now you can see the field names are given properly. Now let us import the other table, text file. Select course, and here check the first row contains field name, and choose the primary key and go to advanced. Course title is text, faculty is text, level is text, whereas full time, this is Boolean. As per our question paper, this is Boolean. Boolean means logical field. Add here yes or no. Then OK. Then finish. So here these are the course details. You can see if any field name is not proper, we need to change. Okay, here we can see the full time is with some different data, so we need to design view. Yes or no, make sure that this is in text box shape, and here select yes or no, then save it. Now you can see in this field data is with yes or no appears. Now let us import the third table, which is tutor table. Tutor table, and check the first row contain field name, and also check here the primary key and go to advanced. Okay, let us see. Here also we can change. This is a tutor first name. This is a tutor second name. Okay, room number. Room number integer, email address text, salary, currency, and contact details with a okay. Now finish. Okay, here in design view, currency field format, we wanted this, and number one decimal place. Okay, now we need to take the screenshots onto Microsoft Word. Using the suitable software package, import the files, create your database, including your evidence document screenshot that shows structure of the table, including the field types and key field. Now we need to show all the three tables in design. Onto Microsoft Word, insert screenshot. Okay, after taking the screenshots, let us establish the relations. Okay, before we add the relations, we need to close all the open table. Here, data tools relationship. Add the three tables. Okay. Now the course code and tutor code can be connected like this and enforce create course code to course code enforce create. Now we need to take the screenshot onto our evidence document. So examiners specifically want to see one too many and one too many. This evidence. And for additional screenshot, we can also keep the relations here. So this is showing the relations, establishing the following relations, establish appropriate relationship to link the table. Okay, include in your evidence document screenshot that shows the relationship between these two tables. Okay, now let us go to question number 8. Contact field contain the portion of the week that each tutor work. This value must be greater than 0 and the maximum value that can be stored is 1. Okay, now let us open the table here in validation rule. It should be greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. This is a and validation text. Make sure that the data check that data as it is. Allow only the valid entries. If the data entered is rejected, the message should be displayed explaining the range of acceptable value. In the message, this is the message, and let us check whether this is accepting the valid data or not. So here let us try with a number less than 0. So let us -1. There is a message, and let us make it two. So if we enter 1, then it accepts. Okay, now we enter condition for question number 8.